How can you use Glassola Tools layout frames to improve your stained glass? Let's try it out now. We'll start by laying down your pattern and then aligning the frame so that the pattern fits inside. Pin the frame to the board using push pins or nails in the conveniently located holes in the frame. This will securely fasten the frame to your workboard. Now you're ready to start putting your pieces into the frame. Simply place each piece inside the frame as you cut and grind it. You'll be able to see how the pieces fit together and where there's gaps or where the pieces are too tightly placed together. Once all your pieces are placed, you're ready to foil and solder them. And that's all there is to it. When your piece is tacked together, you're ready to start your next project. Our frames are durable, so some solder or water won't harm them. And you'll get the same precise, consistent results every time you use them.